Now we're going to stay with the weather, and Korea's Ministry of Public Safety and Security has shifted onto emergency mode in response to the strong winds and rain hitting the country. The ministry says a low-pressure system over the East Sea has seen more than 350 millimeters of rainfall on Ulleung-do Island on Tuesday alone, causing a drainage tunnel to collapse there. Some coastal roads in Gangneung and Goseong County in Gangwon-do Province have also been closed after they were submerged under high waves, as you can see in the video there. The ministry says it's working closely with local authorities to prepare against potential floods and landslides. Anti-flood pumps will be dispatched to areas prone to or with a history of flooding or landslides.